Which freedom fighter from Bengal died at the age of 18? Answer is option D. Khudiram Bose. Who invented gas turbine? Answer is option B. John Barber. What is the distance from the center of the earth to the center of the moon called? Answer is option A. Orbital radius of the moon. Which picture is on the US's $50 bill? Answer is option C. Ulysses S. Grant. Silvassa was the capital of blank. Answer is option A. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Nuclear fusion reaction is based on which of the following equation? Answer is option A. E is equal to mc square. Which of the following is the parameter of economic development? Answer is option D. Per capita monetary income. Which among the following is not a parameter for estimating global gender gap index of World Economic Forum? Answer is option B. Leisure. Red soil is normally found in India in which regions? Answer is option C. Eastern and southern part of the Deccan Plateau. Which of the following is the indicated by the color of star? Answer is option C. Temperature. Atomic number corresponds to the number of blank. Answer is option A. Protons. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Answer is option D. Tooth enamel. The north-south length of India is approximately. Answer is option B. 3200 kilometers. Clinical death is also known as. Answer is option D. Brain death. What is the total number of chambers in the stomach of domestic animals like cattle, buffalo, goat and sheep? Answer is option A. 4. The largest standing army of the Delhi Sultanate directly paid by the state was created by blank. Answer is option C. Alauddin Khilji. Which of the following national highways connect Chhapra and Gopalganj? Answer is option B. National Highway number 85. State highways are maintained by which of the following authority? Answer is option A. State Public Works Department. Rungrado Stadium, the largest football stadium in the world, is located in which country? Answer is option A. North Korea. Which of the following is a standard internet protocol used for transmitting the files from one computer to another computer connected to the internet? Answer is option D. FTP. Which one of the following is also called the powerhouse of the cell? Answer is option C. Mitochondria. Which of the following is known as energy currency of the cell? Answer is option B. Adenosine triphosphate. Which amongst the following is not in the list of Maharatna? Answer is option D. Bharat Dynamics Limited. In Indian Constitution, the method of election of president has been taken from which country? Answer is option B. Ireland. What is the meaning of the phrase quo warranto? Answer is option C. By what authority? who was given the title of the Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity for being the architect and mastermind of the historic Lucknow Pact? Answer is option B, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Which organ has finger-like outgrowths which are called as villi? Answer is option A, small intestine. C++ is blank. Answer is option C, a programming language. Who discovered malaria parasite? Answer is option D, Charles Louis Alphonse Laveran. Where was the capital of Shivaji Maharaj? Answer is option B, Raigad. Who among the following founded the All India Depressed Class Federation in 1920? Answer is option C, B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the largest area-wise union territory of India? Answer is option A, Andaman and Nicobar. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the establishment of a welfare state in India? Answer is option D, Article 38. In which of the following is the objective of social justice enshrined in the Constitution of India? Answer is option C, Article 15. When a running car stops suddenly, the passengers tend to lean forward because of blank. Answer is option D, inertia of motion. The hydraulic brake used in automobiles is a direct application of. Answer is option D, Pascal's law. After long periods of use, a grey spot develops on the inside of a bulb. This is because. Answer is option B, the tungsten filament evaporates and collects. Which is used as food preservative? Answer is option B, sodium benzoate. The Governor General of India who initiated the introduction of English in India was. Answer is option D, Lord Bentinck. Monoculture is a typical characteristic of blank. Answer is option C, commercial grain farming. The 38th parallel boundary line divides which of the following two nations? Answer is option A, North Korea and South Korea. Which of the following statements about heavy water is incorrect? Answer is option D, it is a radioactive substance. Who was the founder of Servants of India Society? Answer is option B, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which of the following is India's largest public sector commercial bank at present? Answer is option A, State Bank of India. Biomass is an energy source used in. Answer is option D, homes. Who among the following suggested the rolling plan? Answer is option B, Gunnar Myrdal. Equal pay for equal work has been ensured in the Constitution of India. It is a. Answer is option C, part of directive principles of the state policy. Who among the following was the first Indian to be awarded the Nissan-e-Pakistan? Answer is option C, Morarji Desai. Which of the following is a subaerial stem modification with long internode? Answer is option D, runner. Which of the following is considered as connecting link between living and non-living thing? Answer is option D, virus.